Welcome back, Bula. So continuing with the Fijian pronouns, and we were using the suffix of gumuna, attaching it to the various body parts, starting say, for example, with the head it was ulungu, my head, your head, his head, ulungu, ulumu, uluna. Now the suffix of gumuna does not apply across the board. For example, when we come to leg calves, calf. What is calf? Nada mana calf na bakabiti.
Temo.
Temo. Good. Naka. So when we say my calves or my leg calves, your calves, his calves, we no longer use the suffix of gu, mu, and na. Now we use the marker of, say for example, when I say my calves, your calves, his calves, sana, what are they?
Nogu temo. NOMU temo. NONA temo.
So you got that? Keep that in mind, even though we have the suffix of gu, mu, na, and generally with body parts we attached it to the various parts of the body, but it doesn't apply across the board. So for example, we've seen an example there of calves. Now we use the pronoun marker of nongu, nomu, and nona. So for calves again, my calves, your calves, his calves. Now we're using nongu temo. Nomu temo.
NONA temo.
Inak. Like
And subscribe more there.
Catch you later.